हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर फेवरेट शो दिस लोकेलिटी दैट प्रोजेक्ट। आज हम जिस लोकेलिटी के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं, ये लोकेलिटी पुणे की प्रीमियम लोकेलिटी है। इसको दिल्ली के लुटियन जोन और बॉम्बे के साउथ मुंबई से कंपेयर किया जाता है। इट होल्ड्स द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ बंगलोज इन वन प्लेस इन महाराष्ट्र। It is also popular amongst foreigners, and the wealthiest of the city lives here to enjoy the lush green environment it offers. Yes, it's Pune's Koregaon Park. Today, this residential locality has been growing into a commercial hub. So, TLTP के इस नए एपिसोड में मैं नेहा नागपाल आपको बताऊंगी इस लोकेलिटी की कनेक्टिविटी और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में, किस तरीके की सोशल और एंटरटेनमेंट फैसिलिटीज़ यहाँ अवेलेबल हैं और क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टी ऑप्शंस आपके लिए हैं, और क्यों कहते हैं इसको पुणे की प्रीमियम लोकेलिटी। लेट्स गो। The locality is well connected by the help of some major roads like Koregaon Park Road, Elite Lines Road and N Main Road. These are also some of the entry points of Koregaon Park. The area is surrounded by localities like Kalyani Nagar and Boat Club. These are also some of the premium localities of the city. The Aga Khan Bridge runs through the area and connects it to Kalyani Nagar. The area lies only 4 kilometers from Pune railway station. An international airport is about 6 kilometers from this locality. Kasturba and German Bakery bus stops are located within the area. You will find buses, cabs and autos plying through the area, helping you connect with nearby localities easily. It is not just about housing. The locality caters to a sociable crowd with its pubs, hangouts and commercial outlets. It is popular amongst the residents as well as the youngsters in the city. The area is filled with restaurants, cafes, bakeries and market complexes. It is one of the reasons about the popularity of the area. The famous German bakery is also here. Banks and ATMs are easily found too. In a radius of 5 km, you will find 5 schools including the Bishop Co-ed School and the Lexicon International. And within 9 km, you will find 4 hospitals including Columbia Asia Pune Hospital. Malls like Jewel Square and Creativity Mall are located within the radius of 5 km. The well-known commercial hubs like Cyber City, Magarpatta and Commerce Zone are located within 5 km. Koregaon Park Police Station is located at the mere of a kilometer from the locality. Even the popular places have its own set of challenges. Koregaon Park has traffic issues. While there is some respite during noon, but mornings and evenings faces extreme traffic jams. Also with time, there are many commercial outlets opened in this locality. Therefore, there are parking issues faced by residents living here. This locality has its old charm intact and offers lush green environment, hence it's one of the preferred residential destination in the city. You will see mix of business and working class living in this locality for a long time. So what's available in this locality? The multi-story apartment is the highest supplied property type in this locality. There are over 15 developers present in this locality. The prominent ones are Goel Ganga Developments, Kalapatru Group, Vascon Engineers and Nek Naware. You will find 1, 2 and 3 BHK in Koregaon Park. While the supply of 1 BHK stands at 7.9%, for 2 BHK it is at 34.2%. The 3 BHK option is available in high number. It stands at 37%. For sale, a 1 BHK of size 500 to 850 square feet is available in the range of 40 to 90 lakhs. And the 2 BHK of size 687 to 1700 square feet is available in the price bracket of 75 lakh to 1.75 crore. A 3 BHK option of the size between 1200 to 2580 square feet is available within 1.32 crore to 3.10 crore. 1 to 4 BHK options are available for rent as well. For that, you need to shell out between 15,000 to 35,000 monthly. The most preferred property type for sale here is a 2 BHK option, while for rent, people here are preferring a 1 BHK apartment. With all this, old bungalows and parks can still be seen in the numerous lanes of Koregaon Park. So a quick wrap up on the locality. Koregaon Park offers good connectivity to almost all parts of Pune. Plethora of entertainment and recreational avenues available for residents. The locality offers old city charm with the upscale neighborhood. Facilities like schools, hospitals, shopping complexes are available in the locality. But if you want to stay in this locality, you need to pay a higher price than other localities in the city. I hope you like this review. If you have any query on Koregaon Park or any other locality in Pune,
do write to me on my Twitter handle, which is @NehaNagpal. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can also send in your queries in the comment section below this video. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
प्लीज मैजिक ब्रिक्स को YouTube पे सब्सक्राइब करिए और नए वीडियोस के लिए बेल आइकन दबाइए।